Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox my new Maxlite rolling garment bag. I forgot what it was. It's from Travelpro, and the only thing I've done so far to this box is cut open the top so I can get into it. So let's see what this luggage is like. This is fun. I love luggage. This is actually a gift for somebody. So sadly, I'm not going to get to use it, but it looks super impressive. Ah, here it is. All its glory. This is the Maxlite 5. Travel light, travel right. This video is not sponsored. So, it looks really cool. I got it in black. I'm gonna try the handle. Oh, that was nice. And it feels pretty sturdy. Except now I can't get it back down. Oh, there we go. But it zips, the handle zips nicely into that. And then there are these, it has these clips because this is the garment bag. So it clips and then you have to unzip it. It has 2 zips. This supposedly is a carry-on, so you can carry it on the plane, but it looks like it will not fit under your seat. It looks like it would be an overhead compartment kind of luggage. Has these little pockets at the top. These zippers on the inside work really, really well. The outside zippers are super sturdy, but seem to be a little bit stiff. I like this little roller pad thing, and it's got this compression thing. I don't know what's that called, but you can put stuff on top of it too. So that's cool. This looks nice. Ooh, and it's also got a pocket at the bottom, so you could slip some shoes in there or something. And a pocket at the top. They have lots of little storage things. Oh, I was trying to read the French side of this. Register your product. Oh, and it's got a little thing you can write your address on. Stuff like that. So, that's handy. Well, this seems like very good quality. And since it's not mine, I'm not going to get to use it and see how it fares in the rough and tumble of travel. Oh, but it does have this pocket in the front. That's cool. So it's got a little pocket here and a bigger pocket here, but there aren't little pockets inside, so it's just like one big pocket and one little pocket. But that would be really handy if you're using this as a carry-on and bringing it on the plane. You can put a few little extras in there. Yeah. So that's the Maxlite 5 rolling garment bag. There is a bigger version of this. Right, Mom? Didn't we see a bigger one? That's like huge that you cannot bring on the plane. We've got the smaller one because it's a carry-on. The other one is for checked luggage only. So this seems really nice. I am pleased with it. And when we looked at the Travelpro store, we checked the outlet in St. Augustine, and we were pleased with all of the luggage that we saw. We thought it looked like great quality, so I am pleased with this purchase. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing. I hope it helps as you are shopping for luggage. And if you have Travelpro luggage or a Maxlite, any of their line of Maxlite luggage, please comment below and let me know what you think about it. I hope you have a great day. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe for future adventures.